All right, guys, it's Melissa. I am gonna try some Mediterranean food. It's from Queen's Bakery Mediterranean. It's in Kansas City, Missouri. It's up north. So I'm going to try this. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like first. Yum! So I'm really excited. Let's see, they got some carrots, some potatoes, looks like some onions, some kind of peanut thing going on. There's some saffron rice in here, some hummus, they got pita bread, a little salad going on. This plate, ooh, it's really good. And it's still hot. You have to try it. Queen's Mediterranean Food and Bakery in North Kansas City. You gotta try it.